To use the new feature, close friends, first you will have to anyway, let's just go back for a second. Close friends is basically a secret group that you create, and you can share stuff with only them without sharing it to the whole public. All right, that's what close friend is, basically just a secret group. Okay, to use it, you first have to create and you first have to add people to the list of close friends. And to do that, start by going to your profile page and click this icon over here. If you're not on your profile page yet, click the icon to the right of the heart symbol, and that will take you to your profile page. Once you're there, look on the upper right hand corner. Do you see these three bars? Click on those, and the side menu should appear that looks like this. Now find where it says close friends, that right there, okay? And then tap over here where it says your list. So the first step is you have to add people to your list, okay? And just start. What I did was I tapped. My screen's a little bit slow. I tapped over here where it says search. So first tap your list and then tap where it says search, and then start typing names. Find the people that you would like to add. Okay. Keep adding people. I think you have to add a minimum of 5 people, I believe, if I'm not wrong. At least 5 people. Okay, let me do one more. LeBron. All right, so once you have added at least 5 people, look on the upper right hand corner, click on where it says done. All right, and then just one more thing to explain what close friends are again. If you look on the upper right hand corner, tap on these three. So go to your profile page, tap on these three dots on the upper right hand corner. This side menu will appear, and then click on here where it says close friends. And then if you don't know what it is till now, just click on where it says learn how it works. So click on that, and you basically choose who's on your list, and then you can share stuff with these people on your list, and only you can see the list. Nobody else can see your close friend list, okay? So you don't have to worry about people getting offended by not being on your close friends list. All right? So after you have created the your close friends list, now you can start posting stuff and only give it to them, okay? To do that, so for example, I'll make a story. And if you don't know how to create an Instagram story, ask in the comment section and I'll give you a link to one of my other videos on how to create a story. So anyways, I'll start by making a story. All right, and if you pay attention, once my computer's a little bit slow, look on the bottom left corner. Usually you can add stuff to your story, but in this case, now you have the ability of sharing your stuff with only the people in your close friends. Okay, so if you click on this button right here, it will share whatever you're posting only to your close friends. So when I tap that, it went and shared it to my close friends. Now when I go to if I click over here on my story, you see over here that it's telling me that this is only to close friends. All right, so that's used of the close friend feature. It's basically a secret group that you can always share stuff with only. Okay, if you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.